Yes, warm welcome students of this academy. Today I am going to share with you question answers because we have already completed this chapter, right? And I may already understand this chapter also. So this is exercise of chapter 4. Match the columns. Let's see. And also you have to match it and tick it. Okay. Sukta, well said. Chariots used in battles. Yajna, sacrifice. Dasa, slave. Megalith, stone. Boulder. Okay. Complete the sentence. Slaves were used for work. Megaliths are found in South India, North, East, and Kashmir. Okay. Slaves are used for work. Megaliths are found in, complete the sentence, South India, Northeast, and Kashmir. Stone circles or boulders on the surface were used to indicate the exact place for burial. Potholes were used for burying the other member of the same family at the same place. Evanis people at Inamagan ate wheat, rice, pulses, barley, sesame, peas, etc. Let's discuss question number 3. In what ways are the books we read today different from the Rig Veda? Okay, so answer 3. The main difference between the two is nowadays books are written and read. Instead, Rig Veda was memorized by the students. Let's see the question number 4. What kind of evidence from burials do archaeologists use to find out whether there were social differences amongst those who were buried? So archaeologists found that in some burials the skeletons found were buried with lots of pots and some with less pots. So they concluded that people were buried according to the status. What is the next one? In what ways do you think that the life of a Raja was different from that of a Das or Dasi? Okay, so in the answer 5, the Raja was on the highest position while Das or Dasi was on the lowest position. Das was used as slaves for work. They were treated as the property of owners and actually they were captured during wars and made slaves. Okay, let's do the question number 6. Find out whether your school library has a collection of books on religion and list the names of 5 books from this collection. Answer 6. Look at here: Mahabharata, Ramayana, Quran, Bible, Guru Granth Sahib. Question number 7. Write down a short poem or song that you have memorized. Did you hear or read the poem or song? How did you learn it by heart? This is activity, so do yourself. Okay. So in the question number 8, in the Rig Veda, people were described in terms of the work they did and the languages they spoke. In the table below, fill in the names of 6 people you know and choosing 3 men and 3 women. For each of them, mention the work they do and the language they speak. Would you like to add anything else to the description? Name, work, languages, anything else. So name: Ramesh, Sameer, Joseph, Jasmeet Kaur, Alia, Manjushri. Work is Ramesh carpenter, Sameer electrician, Joseph teacher, Jasmeet Kaur banker, Alia actress, Manjushri teacher. Okay, and language Hindi, Punjabi, Hindi, anything else? So Punjabi also. Okay, and Hindi, English, Urdu also, English, Hindi also, English, Punjabi, Hindi also, Hindi, English also, English, Hindi, Bengali also. Okay, so look at their name, work, languages, anything else. So in the Rig Veda, people were described in the terms of the work and they did the languages they spoke. And in the table below, fill in the name 6 people only you know. Okay, choosing 3 men or 3 women. Okay, for each of them, and mention the work they do and languages also they speak. And would you like to add anything else to description? So this one, anything else. Okay, So now let's move on to the next one. Okay, so